Liquid. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for sticking and staying with us. We are your Up and Live show team that is here with Tuesday between 9 and 11. I'm your girl, Little Brown Ras. Dragon our star in the wheels of steel, DJ Rick, Mad One, Fire Q, Breads, big up on yourself. Shout out to our sponsor, The Granaries, located at 6 Overtons Yard in Croydon. And each and every week, so we're bringing a special somebody, special person. And today, this evening, we have none other than the Mobe son, ZJ Liquid, in our studio. Greetings, my bro, and welcome to the Up and Live show platform.
Yeah, blessings to have me.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Not your first time in the UK.
No, but
it's been a while. So well forward back.
Yeah, man.
Me can say that because I'm a female, right?
Yes.
Yeah. How have things been with you? How is life? How is music? How is Liquid?
Liquid is good and life is good.
Yeah.
You know? Life is not perfect because nothing is, but life is good.
Cool.
I'm gonna go and do my best, and the thing I go on.
Yeah. So I could start it from foundation because I knew of Liquid when I was a very young child, which was not too long ago.
Yeah.
So talk to us about how it is that you became ZJ Liquid, because obviously that is from Zip.
Yeah.
But talk to us about the
DJ
beginning of DJ Liquid.
All right, Liquid grew up in Montego Bay.
Yes.
Attend Cornwall College.
Mm-hmm.
And that's where my career started.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I started play while going to Cornwall College, like about 9th grade. Met a friend at the school.
Yeah.
Jason Russell.
Mm-hmm.
His father is the owner of Pier 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Pier 1 was the biggest club in Montego Bay at the time.
And it is still
I
one of
think
the
one of
most
the biggest
hottest
Still
places
is the biggest
at the
club.
moment. Yes.
And that club caters for the tourists, local, everybody. So I start out on a platform where exposed to every genre,
Right.
not only dancehall. I had to play for the tourists, the local, everybody. So a thing go. And under that schooling, Mr. Russell was a promoter, should I say, a boss like this way. Him sit down and get and collect him money from its start till it finish.
Him now move.
And him very disciplined. So here I go on now. If him not hearing a Bob Marley, your money shot.
Okay. So you're someone who you like the transitions.
You have to transit.
Yes.
And the bag of talking never work. And you have to change up everything. So I started out playing, I have to play dancehall, reggae, disco, soul, soca, all of that. Every night, and you have to hold the crowd and keep him on the dance floor until 5.
All right. So there's a lot to digest from that. From me as a sound DJ, we are following from the sound era. We kind of understand it, and obviously you pay for the Pier 1 exposure, give you a lot, and it helped you with the radio side. So
no, and I saw the radio side. Yeah, it helped me with the radio side.
Yeah.
No,
yeah, with a mixture of genres.
exactly,
Definitely.
But me like for illustrate upon like the Zip FM when you were like one of the first members of Zip. I'm guessing.
Yeah, I'm one of the first members.
That's what kind of grabbed people. Grabbed me to Zip FM because it was something different. It was something fresh where me cannot hear a Bob Marley as a juggle, and then me a silly day and run one part, but it doesn't sound cliche like say
it made sense.
It makes it. There was transition. There was a smooth.
It was segment out.
Exactly.
So we change the genre every half an hour.
Yeah.
So you
never get too boring because you never get too much of one thing. And we always, we keep it fresh in between that. The news every hour. We don't make the news too long.
Yes.
So change the station. We just give you the most. The news about what you need to hear. And that's what I'm idea. But anyway, we started out at Zip. From Pier 1, the whole mixture, but honestly, I start radio from Montego Bay.
Yes.
As I say, quick and fast. Jason Russell, so we link up, I start play, you have a little sound, me and him start link up as school friend, go to Pier 1 after school.
Yeah.
Start play right till, I'm cocky till 9, 10 o'clock, I go home. So I really start getting my thing. I used to make 2 cassettes every day. I'm go back home and listen
and
to
this
them.
is recordings of you playing?
Before I start play a certain place, not recordings, going to the music room, nobody there.
Yeah.
Make 2 cassettes, either one hip hop, one dancehall, or a disco, or what. I'm go home, I'm listen to my mistakes. I'm come back the next day, I'm make 2 more cassettes.
Yeah.
Because the goal was to play 90 minutes without no mistake, no wreck, no niggle or jump.
Yeah.
That was
That's
perfect.
the aim.
That was my aim. And I saw me kind of just school my own self.
Yeah.
So when I Friday night time now we start do the thing. So all of that all of that practicing, I put it into play because I get a chance to put it into play with people.
So basically, you did your rehearsals.
Yeah,
so
I always get to go up and do the real thing Friday night.
Yeah.
All right, let's move from Pier 1 to like Margaritaville. That era where it was revving Margaritaville and it was...
The Margaritaville era came from Pier 1.
Yeah.
Margaritaville was a bar, a sports bar. The vibe that I was bringing at Pier 1 on a Friday night.
They wanted that.
Yeah, there was a entertainment manager by the name of Yanni. I will never forget that guy. He was like, yo, Liquid, we want to start something at Margaritaville on Saturday night. We're not in trouble Pier 1 thing. I say, nothing wrong with that.
Makes
so
sense.
I started out by bringing my speaker boxes. I'm a console.
Yeah.
Margaritaville never have nothing but a club business.
Is it?
Yeah. So normally we just advertise me thing on Friday. Yeah, I don't know. Advertise Friday night, so you're there at Margaritaville Saturday.
Yeah.
And the energy start grow. Pack up, me used to ram it till the door them have to close. I remember me I play all night.
Yeah.
There was no segment. Me the DJ we play from 10 till when you say, yo, lock off, do it, we want to go home.
You just read the vibe and change.
I always read my people them and just keep them going. Make them can't move, can't left. And so the vibe continue, then I start break out in a mobile. People want to party, the same energy start. I start do the school fair, the Sweet 16 them, I start the wedding. So, you know what I mean? At that time, I start play all over the place. Then, I start link up with pieces. Them sometimes pieces, them have certain kind of uptown vibes.
Yeah.
Like George used to link me and say, Liquid, you want to come touch this for me? Lippo at the time.
Lippo, yeah.
Lippo was the name, original Lippo.
Yeah.
At the time, say me and DJ Wayne with
Whistle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me and him start play
because
as
you
the
and him
first
play
duo.
as you know, and him play similar.
Yeah, because we were a duo. So it's like I'm a brother, the same style because we share the style and build the style. Sometimes him talk, me mix. Sometimes him mix, me talk. So sometimes that's why when I go zip people I start, yo, me I follow Whistle. I never did a follow Whistle. It was just our
it's
style.
It's like a brotherly thing.
Yeah, but at the time when Mr. Young wanted DJ Win for Irie, he never wanted a duo. You understand? So him say, yo, I don't want a duo. I want to call my radio thing a one. Each show a one person.
One person. Yeah.
So I'm go and hold my own and go and do my thing.
So how did you get the call for Zip? Because this
I was always there. All when DJ when I playing in the studio, I still my G.
Yeah,
man, I'm still there in the Irish studio same way. I go and make Whistle do him thing. Cause we are brother. So if my brother in me into, it never affected me. Cause it never affected
you used
the
to
road.
Friday night I used to
same way, man.
Friday
and
night
me and him same way over there, line up the tune them before we go over there, cut the dub them, master the dub them, run through some dub and find some jingle and say, yo, we're gonna turn this in a jingle. And that's how come we start the effects thing and we start effects.
No,
on the radio.
In a real thing.
And juggling, see? And we start making you can talk or you talk and never forget.
No, me not tell
media out.
So what do you guys need to say? Give thanks to Liquid.
Hold on now.
And Whistle.
Mr. DJ Wayne,
yeah.
He was a man where me idolize him and say, yo, God know you. So when Liquid do like song go, yo, Zip. Cause remember you have a era in Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
If you Liquid away, you know.
Yeah. Friday
remember
night, nobody is.
You know another station, you know.
2 to 6, and then them switch to Whistle 6
you used to
to
have
10.
the game fresh to that.
Yeah, every Wednesday. Let me tell you how I do that now. Cause at the time I have to create my thing and make my name. I'm couldn't follow people.
Naturally.
So alright, Mr. Young call me say Zip, alright, I go. I never know where to live when I go town, but I decide to say, yo, this gonna change my life. And I had my plans. Because I don't know, I learn the ropes from I don't know 2 days and them time. I know the do's and don'ts. I know if I ever get another chance, so me I gotta approach it.
Right.
Yeah.
Right? Mr. Young, when we got to Mr. Young at the time for Irie, he explained to me that he had a project working on, which was Zip, but it's not ready yet.
Yeah.
So he said, go and ease yourself, man. Because I saw him talk with that China man with the talk real.
Mr.
One here, man. Come and call me and just ease yourself. I'm calling me ready, man. So, boom. That was the vibe. So Zip come up and he called me and said, where you there, man? I said, I'm there, Moby. I said, yo, come link me at Ochi. So I drive go Ochi and him say, yo, I start zipping on. I need if I go out town. You all right with that?
I saw him talk with you.
You understand, bro?
Yeah,
and the opportunity came, I didn't think about sleeping or where me live.
Right.
Just
took
move
it because you knew that it would have been a transformational
Believe me, and
moment
Zip
for you.
was perfect for me because it was the multi-genre station.
I think when the time Zip have a hole in Jamaica, the whole,
no,
like especially you come on to like the teenager segment.
It was a younger people's station.
My favorite part was 6 o'clock when they played Anthem.
Because to be honest,
that was my favorite part.
IRFM was like the Big Brother station where you have
Irish just Irish.
We have like one one or two man pan the station we can get a wicked juggling. And you know, if you not listen to Wayne on Friday even or Saturday, you know, so you not listen to nothing. And then you know, over I was like, you have Liquid Iron, you have Chrome, you have Ice, you have Rush, you have
I was before.
No. Them never fall, but me attack the lineup when.
Yeah, the lineup did strong. Back to back lineup did strong. It's a lineup I could make you move.
Remember, you know, when you say yo 2 till 6, you know.
Yeah.
Lipo up on a Saturday, you say yo, I whistle over there, so you say. If Liquid gone away, I can alternative, me just like zoop over Wayne.
Quick half an hour.
All right, so
we not zoop.
So quick strategy. All right, I get the breaker zip. I go up and them say, boy, what you think about changing the name? At the time, I didn't want to change my name from Lipo. Because I know say Lipo was a name, boy. All right, but it wasn't an international or selling name, like across the board. So my virgin up here one used to call me Liquid. I never used to like it. It's like the Lipo was a mistake. Yeah. And he called me. When I said, dog, stop calling me son.
No, that could work. No, we're not
dog. But guess what now? I reached town now and thing, and Judith Badley, who was the program manager at the time, said, yo, what do you think about changing the name? I said, yo, I already thought about it. I have the name. I want to change my name. And she said, what's the name? I said, Liquid. And she said, yo, that bad. That's perfect. Where I go with. I'm say, yeah,
and
man,
it fully
Liquid.
describes who you are and how you were.
Every genre I could have played anyway.
But I don't think you can change your name now.
No, I'm not changing. I don't want to change.
Even if you leave Zip.
No, man, I'm going to always be ZJ Liquid, man, because we pioneer that.
Yeah, that can't really.
So there's no way I would have ever changed my name. I'm not going to leave Zip, because I can't be nothing more than a Zip Jack.
All right. Speaking about leaving Zip, like, I remember, like, in the heydays at Zip, like, when, what you call it? When Zip was zipping when the whole of Jamaica, everywhere I listen to it.
When I create that wave.
Yeah.
When that wave they create. That was some suspension. How them something did go?
Oh yeah, I get suspension, yes.
Much time.
What did you do?
Why everybody normally do a new song? Like, you know what I mean, 1 and 2 the Rocketeer, maybe a 1 fucker, 1 this come out. But if you understand, so them time when you dep on the chopping block. I remember, you know, we come and change the diaspora and become this big competition. Cause watch this now. This thing was, I kind of designed this thing, you know. I didn't have my aim and my plan. See, remember Fame around the place.
Yeah, Fame that.
Fame have Retro Wednesday, right? Calling them runner from right back.
Yeah, man.
Kurt them and Ray. I say, oh, I gotta do this now. So I guess somebody do now. I start play old school on Tuesday. I say, yo, if me play the best old school on Tuesday, I go shake up the Wednesday.
Yeah.
And if you don't want to hear old school after you hear the best old school Tuesday, I don't want trouble whistle show. I always not compete on a Friday with new music. So
naturally.
I go change the old scope where people are look for new music on weekend and give them on Wednesday. So that's when I start fresh to that.
Yeah.
Signature show, me started everything idea. I say, yo, this me I do. I give the people them the freshest music, just give them the fresh ear thing, the right truth on a Wednesday.
That's, you know what happened now, the producers them start even release the music on Wednesday now.
Yeah, they make sure me get it.
Because even when, because remember Friday and normally release day, when man put new song on road, you find out that songs are being released on Tuesday night, Wednesday, forget Wednesday. Get now, Liquid get
me get it. So from me get it now with the popularity of the show. Every man want it by Thursday. Yo. So you see by weekend, the song boss.
You have a Cartel jingle with the Fresh to Death.
Fresh to Death, no play a tune in the past and the surrounding. Well, if you want to boss a tune, you know you have a check.
The baddest cartel jingle. Let me tell you something.
All right, so moving forward.
What on the ring? Like we're talking about Fresh to Death and playing new music, right?
Yeah.
There was an incident about the artist climbing the pole because he didn't want his song to get played.
Yeah.
Let's just delve into that a bit.
This was 2014.
If he now come off a pole unless he play him song.
That was just how effective Fresh to Death was and
that was 2014.
How effective Liquid play was.
Yeah.
Because artists used to say, if Liquid not play a song,
how you manage that part there?
But I put myself in that position, so I had to manage it.
So you'd have to come out of the studio and go look up on the pole and say, yo, God no.
Yeah, I have to come out of the studio and go up there and say, yo, what you deal with? And I said, dog, are you more
Icon D, his name was?
Icon.
Yeah.
So did you actually play him song?
Yeah, I played the song.
Was it a good song?
No, it wasn't a good song, but you have to explain this now.
Yeah.
In my position, you have a man a dangle on a pole.
Yeah.
His life.
Right. So even if him slip and fall, even if he never jumped.
Yeah.
We know Jamaica. What Jamaica would have said?
Liquid kill him.
Liquid could have just played the old song, dog, and
make him dead.
So I have to think about that car that could have crashed my career and crashed the station. So what we do? Diffuse
the
situation.
Me and end of the day, it work out better for me because I show the world say the reason why me hold the gate is because me know what me are talking about. Me gonna make on hear a song and then tell me I know what Jamaica were like. Did you know star better you live for know this?
But the most important thing was you got him down.
I got him
you
down.
Got him
safe
down off the pole
and diffuse.
You got history like Jamaica in that.
Yeah, man, I hope I history go on with the man.
Alright, more kind of shift a little bit forward.
Anytime.
Because the radio space at Jamaica now, currently, is not in the same place it was.
No.
As it was 10 years ago. Yeah.
What do you think that is needed to incorporate like the same, garner the same attention that's been in the past?
As I say, just need back the professionalism.
Like how you think it's lacking now? What?
Yeah, because every youth who have a laptop film is a DJ. Me not knock them, but there's, you know what I mean, you have to research. Radio different than dance and party.
True.
You know what I mean? Sometimes, we play with that party vibe on the radio, but we still know say a radio.
And so you feel like the space now at Jamaica, the whole station.
The space now at Jamaica, sometimes I just feel like anything goes, and everything goes. And sometimes you listen to the radio, you don't want to hear
and
that
so with
on
that,
the radio.
with that being said, do you think, or is there a set of standards that the broadcasting stations should uphold, right? Even though Zip is different, IRI is different, RJ is different, RJR is different. Do you think, okay, as a radio station, XYZ is what we abide by? Do you think that should be standard?
Of course, it have to be.
It should be
standard.
standard.
Have to be a level. There have to be a standard. You know, everybody.
And is it too late for that to be implemented?
No, it is implemented. It's already there, but you know what I mean. So, you can tell.
So what's the problem?
There's no problem. You remember, you know, most people, half of the people, them listen everything same way. So it's not like when radio alone exists.
Yeah.
But them I say
one on the Rick. I feel like there's a problem because I feel like the standard in radio fall like way below the bar in terms of DJing now. Because,
yeah.
Like, in terms of some DJ with the on radio.
Yeah, because
I know that I am way better than like shut my eyes and like there's no what you call it wow factor anymore.
So that
like,
I try to tell you.
When me that grew up, I was aspiring to be a DJ. Me that say wow whistle, liquid, chrome. I mean I say wow them I do something. I mean like yo, them man that's regular. Them not even get bookings.
Identity, that is it. You have to build a brand. You have to have your own thing. That's what it is. You know what I mean? And you can't stop research. I always research the great them and find something out for them. One of my biggest inspiration is Howard Stern. And the reason why Howard Stern is an inspiration to me because I always push the envelope. I'm a risk taker.
Maybe that's I guess much suspension.
Yeah, but it still change. You know what I mean? We never risk it. Remember,
risk it for the biscuit.
The bother them come out accidentally.
And a spite.
It's not like you say, yo,
you're in a vibe.
In a zone. And guess what now? My first suspension came from a song that were labeled wrong, labeled clean. And
but it was raw.
Because CD, them
yeah,
time there.
Yeah.
But the captain of the ship.
So you should have listened
me
to
come
it
out and I talk about, dog, that don't matter. You have to just hold it. So, you know what I mean? Mr. Man just hold my responsibility and take my judgment.
And you know, so they have advocate the one time. When can me people when they can go back on the
Alright, there was a Facebook page built by the fans, more than 10,000 followers under a week. The page was called Put ZJ Liquid Back on the Radio.
Remember that something there.
So it still exists.
Yeah.
Because remember say one time last suspension I think you get people they think you get fired because they gone for a while.
Yeah, it was the longest suspension.
And
it was
everybody
4 months.
4 months.
And what was that for? Do you remember what it was? The same situation.
It was third strike, remember,
Yeah.
At least
third strike, them I say, yo, I hate, And we I say, God, no.
But I like that to kind of.
So, all right.
But then that just shows how great you are and the fact that you being one of the 4 fathers that make his own too old. Four fathers of Zip and the standard that you've put out and the quality of work that you always put out. Zip can't do without you. Sorry. You're a pillar. And you can't. So it's yin and yang.
All right. So let us jump forward a bit because like I feel like say in you guys' era, you changed certainly the president within you, Wizard, Kirk Riley, Colin Hines, a few others in the game were pioneer to certain things who start the producing thing and start the singing thing and start delve into multiple different things at the same time as doing the radio. Let's talk about that. How was it by you being a producer or an artist at the same time as being a ZJ?
Well, at the time, the producing thing came up because at the time when we started radio, we and Dan Carly on the DJ when was one team even before I went on radio.
Right.
So, you know, Dan was a dub plate engineer and a sound man.
Yeah.
So he used to voice dub.
Yeah.
So we encourage him, say, dog, you need to do a rhythm because you the whole of the on the radio and thing, you know, dog. And we are virgin and them time we have cartel, everybody at studio and do dub. Every man did that do dub at Dan studio.
Right.
So we could have get, so we said, dog, man them.
Yeah.
So I said, come now we end up with the new millennium rhythm I Dan produced.
Yeah.
The first rhythm, and it was Dan's first project, and I said, dog, road.
Bad rhythm.
So Dan produced that and it hit, then him come with Crazy and that hit. You understand?
Yeah.
And we said, produce him, we like it. Then, you know what I mean, Dan make Crazy Hype for me.
Yeah.
Crazy Hype was my first production. French
Crazy Hype of the year, what?
Yeah, Dan's the Crazy Hype.
Yeah,
Girls
Crazy
Gone
Wild.
Wild. And that does.
Back in the days, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I can see the proudness on your face.
Yeah.
Seeing that was your first production.
Hit,
It is, everybody can tell so that's a hit. How did that propel you into saying, yo dog, feel like this more going on?
No, but with that success, and before that I always wanted to produce music because I always saying, I want to put back something on the music when I live off.
Yeah, learn off of. Yeah.
When I really live off of, well, you know what I mean? Because music is my bread and butter, so I say, yo, we need to produce some music to and make some music to what I always play, you know what I mean?
Like, I should always say, like, you guys are one of the one where you call it, you're intertwining the fabric of, you call it 2000 dancehall, because, like, it's one of them era the way you have some iconic rhythms where Dan Carly responds for, and you and Wizzo, even if you are not directly producing it,
there's
you are some of the DJs who get it out there to the public.
Always at studio. We could tell you, I can tell you
that's
most of the hits, voice.
Yeah.
I can tell you how them voice, how them come up. Can't tell you enough secret what we do and make it happen.
No,
let's speaking about homage.
I don't want you to do that part.
Let's speak about homage. Like, do you feel like a lot of artists, like, we really boss because, like, you boss all the artists?
Yeah.
You feel like, say, them gear justice where deserve?
No, them not giving me justice. But at the end of the day, I kind of do what I want to do. I mean, I really do it for artists, give me back justice. I do it for do it and do it for the history. And, you know what I mean, some name can remain at the books of one who help move and change the music.
Because I remember, like, when growing up, if a song now play by Liquid or Wayne, them, I don't want to hear it. When I hear in school bus, I go to school.
Nobody has the matter.
That's true, like, it's not a hit.
So we're very influential, you know what I mean? Even that alone, you know what, you can't even, you're all right with that.
And like a lot of people don't give you guys, like, some of the credit for even, like, a bit of the Vice Cartel story and some influential moment in have. Even Mavard as well. Yeah. And some hit song. And even Sean Dizzy and enough of them, man, they will come to the gate. Like, remember, say, I own some of them, man, who pioneer some of them career and put it out there and say, yo.
We get a story?
Yes.
With the Oakland. Me, DJ, and Dan, Killer. You know, that was the hangout at the time. Some youth over the corner reason. And one touch me on my shoulder and say, yo, beg you a minute. So I move and say, oh, yeah, G. And him say, yo, I used to name Singing Blacks, but I changed my name to Movada now. I have a song named Real Mackay. And that's sake of them rhythm name Anger Management. So I say, yeah, man, I know the rhythm and that's sake of them good because them make the man for dead for me. So I work with that sake before you guys even know them. Yeah. They made that for me because I link them and say, yeah, man, make a rhythm for me. I have an idea I want to do over. So I say, Movada, I have the song, man, and everything. I have the rhythm then I play it, but the rhythm never bust it. Only one song did bust was the Cartel, and that did bust a Moby. Good man, Mr. Buddy, from Jaw. Where's Jaw?
School bus song that.
See, that bust a, so they went bust a Moby, and then it take over in our place. And, you know, at the first, Movada hear himself on radio was ZJ Liquid, Real Mackay, I can remember.
Real Buckley's on.
Yeah, you know, and from them time, me and Movada become brethren.
Yeah.
And, you know, anything him link me. Yo, DJ, I used to start voice him. Same time I voice him for my 12 gauge rhythm at the time. Because me and Deli Ranks a friend.
Big up to Deli Ranks. Deli Ranks is a brother of the show as well.
We link up Steve at the time when nobody know him.
So people.
But him bad from them time.
Remember,
but you're active.
If you want to know about 12 gauge rhythm, that's Liquid. We can't say, hey, Liquid, we have a 12 gauge. When you
history rhythm that man and put Bounty Killer and I do.
Remember them song there?
This we know what.
Remember them song there and some rhythms. We are talking about in the heights of the war and when things are going, you know. Where that two and trims are going. And I say, Liquid. All right, jump past that for now. Do you feel like the younger DJ them now, do you feel like them have respect?
Wait, before you me now want you touch on the younger DJ.
Well, on Rasta. No, more touch on a little topic before we go back there. So, do you feel like so them research like the game and like put respect where do because some of the time, not for them own respect, some of the producer them from the 90s because them hear every artist called Sly and Robbie, you know, Sealy Clevey and so some iconic producer. Do you feel like so them really give the 2000 producer them respect? Because I don't hear a lot of people call Dan Cardion, Liquid, Genius, and you know, the list goes on and on.
Yeah. But you have to understand, so the 90s was a very strong part in a dancehall. It kind of made dancehall, you know, kind of worldwide.
Yeah.
But Liquid, to be fair, I don't think you branded your rhythms effectively enough for people to know. Because even me,
because
when I
at that time,
right
it was just all about the music. It wasn't about, me I try push up my name. It was just the idea them we have, and we get to manifest them, and then we see the world love it. And that was
if I was right, that was not a DJ Liquid.
All of them H2O records.
H2O records, and a lot of people didn't know say H2O linked to DJ Liquid. Just like
Munga used to say H2O.
But just
like
a
click no.
Well, I know just like DJ Wayne a Purple Skunk, and a lot of people couldn't really picture the connection.
Because that was the idea. That was to make the music, and people love the music. Not knowing really it was us and I love the music. I Liquid Riddim, so we'll get no. It was all about we see how them accept this.
So on the point of Rick saying about the whole creation of the rhythms, can I just fasten a business a bit? The music business or the music business of the creating of your music, has that been done properly?
Yeah.
Me just ask because we know so whole heap of young artists step on the live. This is something that we're always talking about. What we don't get upset. The reason why I'm asking is because we're trying to have our young artists, young middle tier, whoever,
do the right thing.
For do the right thing.
Every man that come in a studio come record when we there.
Fix up that talk. Forward in a studio.
All right, I read them. It's corporate.
Take it wide.
Yeah, man. Every song voice and we vet it, man. If we never like it, you have to come do it over, man. Cause it's not good. I will not play it. Okay. If we not think it ready.
And flipping it to you because you're a DJ, a producer. How did the artist side forward out?
The artist side forward out from Mobie.
So
from used to play on Mobie. Music DJ come used to do a Wednesday thing. Remember the young artists come DJ too.
So you used to
DJ and they used to record some song.
Yeah.
And they hit rhythm on my Mobie when I write and play and they used to run the place and used to have to end up record the dub for the Mobie. And I'm always like, you know record. Hear this now. When I'm a first producer, them time there was Jazzy T. Jazzy T always a play. I'm gonna be always sometimes run up in the thing. The man I say, dog, I would that. And I say, I mean, no. I say, you have to voice. So I end up voice Jazzy T, pan a rhythm named Black Eyes. Well, killer the depot where if a war you want proceed. So what you think when them are gonna squeeze? Somebody have a song pan it say from a one man you put up your one make me see you. Walk you on money, depend on a bad. For the girl them and you go and play all over the place, but at the time them is still in the
DJ.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Them think that does something what I love. Them think that's what I love and that's an experiment with.
So talk to us about your first hit song.
So here I know. Me there at town, I do my thing. Me normally do the chart as it. Me and Johnny Cole used to do the zip chart.
I remember that.
So from that now, producers used to listen me and say, dog, you know, say.
You for do what thing?
You can't record. I'm used to say, no, dog, I'm not record no song, man. That's a fun thing. So Delhi ranks now.
Big up to Delhi again.
I have a rhythm named Charlene. And the man I say, yo, me a record, you know. Me no care what you want to tell me, say, you know, you have a record for me. So Delhi call one day and say, yo, me write a song for you. Man, you come record on the rhythm, yeah. I'm go link Delhi and I try to record the song with Delhi right, but the vibes nah run.
What was the name of the song with Delhi right for you?
I don't remember the name, man, but I'll tell you what happened. So I said, Delhi, me have an idea. I want to DJ my idea.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yes.
And that's the song named Good Video. Oh, did sing it again. Thing name, Girl Bend Over, like a something drop. Do it, girl, do it, girl, do it. Transformer, and you wind up back. You're good with me, I'm good with you. So when my idea, the man think I used to talk them lyrics then when I juggle all a party to see it. And then I said, blow out star, it's bad. And I say, yeah man, I like this. And that's where it start from. That play, Sean Izzle hear that and say, yo, I want to vice you. I said, Sean Izzle, that was just a Delhi thing.
It's just a one-time thing.
Finish my radio show one evening. Sean is and Mr. G downstairs the studio. I say, yo, dog, go and voice here. You will come find out. I say, what not talk about, brother? Man say, yo, come on, man.
Yeah.
I drive with them one day. I'm going them here one day Riddim. Cargo just a leave. Beanie Man and round just done though. I'm drinking rum. So I said, what the hell me I go voice? Man, I can't remember. You know what it is? Mr. G said, dog, me know you can't voice it. I know you have it in here, you know. Riddim a play. And I say, you know nothing. I mean, lyrics I'm using at the dance.
Is that select? That's how we go. Is that selector in check?
Yeah, I'm lyrics that I use. Like, them girls stand up. Them girls stand up. I say, yo, so when I sing the line, say, why if you walk out and me to stand up? Mr. G say, no. Go around I boat. So I say, G, we don't have no song. I just like a thing. I will just build it from this one.
That's how they work. The punch.
I never even look on it as an exam, bro. I play the rhythm, all of the song them it.
And I remember after that, you have a song on DNA Riddim, and you know you have a slow song after that.
Yeah, hold on, man. I tell you, I get a video from London. Say, yo, that song I just mash up a dance, you know, a beer fight, some girl just fight over that song.
Yeah, because a wife.
So I say, what you mean?
So you started?
Bro, the song bust from London.
You started it?
To be honest.
Okay. Yeah. Your fault.
No,
like
not
people
my fault.
A fight in a dance.
But that song was just very controversial. I
mean, it was well needed because obviously everybody knows that I go on in a dance. But there's a topic that I wanted us. We spoke about this last week, and I think you're one of the right people to ask this question. So we know, say, whole heap of new DJs are forward, producers as well.
Yeah.
They're creating their own rhythms, but we also see the trend of refixes.
Yeah.
Last week we spoke about the Fiesta Riddim.
Yeah.
DJ Mac?
Yeah.
DJ Mac, refixed it and, and put out a bag of song and artist upon it, rate. Our co-host, who is not here tonight, Bray, to bring up himself, he shared the perspective that he thinks that's a lazy mentality or a lazy avenue of putting out productions from a new DJ's perspective. What are your thoughts on that?
My thoughts is that the music always have remake stuff from day one. Down to the one drop them from Coxon that used to be soul song with them with the man them sing over. Yeah. But always, you know what I mean, it was a thing that the music, not only dancehall but hip hop from there. The biggie them were hit were whole songs that they made over, whole rhythms that they made over and made them more fresher. So it's a thing, you know what I mean? You can't really knock it, but you have to do some original thing too.
Dirty breads.
And that is what I would say.
Dirty breads.
You have to do some original thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you look over something and it work, but to be a
don't forget who
be
you
a great
are.
producer, you have to make your mark, your sound, and them thing that.
So there is nothing wrong with
nothing wrong with that. Kind of and then you recreate something because and catch a vibe.
It's being a part of your catalog at the end of the day.
Yeah.
So right now you have a little phase in dancehall where we have a little refix thing going on.
Yeah.
I know you have some iconic written in a game. Or we know say some big major hit song upon it.
Yeah.
Right? Would you ever think for like knock over some of them and say, yo?
No. Because you never ever gonna get by the hit them. Better you leave it alone and just make the classic them remain classic.
It's not about it, but some of the time, what do I call it? You know, when we're looking at dancer with some talented young artists, they never get the chance to voice on some of them reading them because it just wasn't their time.
Yeah.
So, would you feel like say, yo, it's just right for like give them a little shot on some of them reading me and say, yo, do nothing me you can go on with?
Yeah, you know what I mean? To give them flavor and little test them versatility, yeah? Nothing
because
wrong with
like
that.
we see like some massacre
with
some
that.
Popcorn, with some Valiant.
You them have to learn for DJ upon some punana, them have to learn for DJ upon some duck, them have to learn for DJ upon some answer and them.
You know more of them knock over Superstar.
Superstar.
That one they can knock over.
No, you can't touch Superstar because Rookie and play that. Remember say Scatter them did it, you know. With phone card and him sue them and win. Him not really play that.
Okay.
Yeah, Rookie now when you touch him.
Okay.
Leave
serious.
him.
Do not touch it.
You not make it back like or you not touch the original.
So let's bring forward the issue because remember a foreign lady they ain't getting
and the reason why you are here.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But she wants the information has too much question.
Yeah,
I think it's the next time if I were there.
Yeah.
We don't wanna rush things.
Yeah. I'm
joking. So the reason why you're here in the UK on this trip,
yes,
big up yourself, bus driver link up team. Big up yourself, Junior.
Team.
You're forward over here. You're bound a piece of fire, my general. I'm not tell the lie. Another place it hot, but you made it hotter. What was your experience like on Sunday?
On Sunday?
Yes. Was it Sunday? Yeah, Sunday.
For me, it was just another liquid experience on a different place.
What you say?
With new people.
So your intention was to liquefy the place. And
that's my intention.
That's your intention.
Every time.
And the reception that you got. From the ladies.
It was overwhelming, you know.
From the ladies, obviously, because we're not really business with the man.
Yeah, but if you notice this, a liquid for the girl, them are the slogan.
Liquid,
after all. And from the ladies, them alright.
You're alright.
No, the whole place alright.
Cool,
the man, them alright. Because if you don't want to dance, and your woman I go wine pan your friend, she alright.
Yeah.
You have to start wine to her, just full of vibes and free up yourself.
Yeah. When I tell you one girl wash up my white pants man with her white skirt, mash it up. Would I wine off panny?
Yeah, me see because
try to rub out and be things.
We give thanks for the fact that you brought the energy. I mean, you are a very humble person based on what I've observed, and you're not doing nothing fake. And I appreciate the realness that you brought to Bus Driver Link Up, the realness that you brought into the studio. We really do appreciate it.
And since we're talking about Bus Driver Link Up, we have to pick up Junior, because you don't know, say yo. This is what? How much stage in this Junior?
55 years.
Lose count.
Junior is not here.
Is it the
Only
28?
stage in, and you know what? Me always can say, no shimmings, no nothing. Always nice, clean fun. Can go get your food, get your drink.
Yes.
All a little nice space, all a vibe.
You find a man, you find a girl.
And you know, a whole lot of people go over there and find wife, you know, and find matey, and you know, and find. And that's how you go.
So Liquid, what this one would I like to ask you?
Go ahead.
Would you not feel like that era there, the music, the 2000 era?
Yeah.
Why you and the like certain the DJ and the same era like not start like a brand like where you wanna do like say a 2000? It's like what them have strictly 2K or whatever.
Yeah, but a chrome party.
Chrome thing.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Why don't you not bring it overseas and all?
It a grow, man. It a grow. It a come, man. It a come, man. It a forward.
No, but want to England because them thing they would have nice.
Yeah, but you have to understand, so we as out of towners, we have to learn the ropes and how to get the event over here and, you know what I mean, get
the right man.
Get the right permit them and link up with the right promoter and them thing that, because you don't want it to be a flop.
So when you forward back to the UK, you know, say I forgot forward back and chat to us about Strictly.
Well, me I got just, you know, I really chrome thing that, but you know, me I want the youth to start it with him.
Yeah, but it valid because me that
it's a powerful era. It's a powerful era.
It's a very powerful era.
You know what I mean? It's a full 15 year a great hits.
Exactly. Mova and Cartel dominate.
It's a 15 year of the new the millennium generation of dancehall.
Definitely.
You know what I mean? Bling Dog, the Mova, Cartel, Laden, Assassin. We could have gone on and on.
Yeah, definitely.
Let's stay thinking back a bit. Like, we have to amend Bus Driver Junior, because you know what? Me always respect a thing what him do. See, anytime I bring over any international DJ, any international personnel over here, it's not like a man will come here and it's a rush 50 million show.
Yeah.
It's always exclusive. And like, I appreciate that in terms of when somebody brings somebody to the UK, you say, yo, you can play your event, you can do a bit of tourism, you know, you can enjoy yourself a bit, because like, me know me as a DJ sometime. Sometime I go a place and then you play and then next day I rush to a flight. It's never a nice experience. And you know, you have to get a bit of the culture. I know, like, I've been watching your snap and first day you come and man say, yo, English, full English breakfast. Man say, I them too. So I eat them and I eat the rest.
Yeah, because you know, Liquid is a youth where I'm not going to the place and experience the vibe.
Definitely.
Connect with the streets.
Me is a youth where work with what they do. I'm not going to tell you, say, yo, if you go look at and selfish when it's not there.
Yeah.
And then me will come through a tantrum and them things.
It there still.
Me know, but you have to understand.
Yeah, me get what you
it's all about living and experiencing. What more go back and talk about, say, what me did try or something new. You know, it's all about living.
So Liquid, in your own thought, like, you've been to the UK before, but I know UK has modernized in terms of the people and what all people think and how people party. How do you think of the whole dancehall scene in UK? Do you think it kind of on par with Jamaica, or it's matching up, or it's similar? What do you think?
Yeah, it's up there.
Yeah,
man, up there.
I must drive a link up your command. No,
nah, man.
yeah,
No, me as a youth, I do my research, you know, and you know what I mean? It up there. Even the first time I come right up there. Remember when I come, the first time I came here, it was for Andrew Fresh.
Yeah.
Yes.
And it was so loud. You know what I mean? Lying around at the Buckeye building and me and Killer myself, Killer Filler, them thing I go on the man and say, yo, I'm Kelly Kid for your first time. You know, I say, all right, cool.
Yeah.
Experience it real, because the first time I experienced money pull up was here in England, 2010. I can't tell people, say, that's it, I it started.
Like,
so show the energy
and we've heard that story on this platform.
Yeah, I read from Boom Boom like a whole time before, and I hear from a whole person
say,
no. Say, that's how it start. But
the first time it's my experience.
In terms of like dancehall and the growth, in terms of artist wise in UK, do you hear any artist as a radio DJ or as a promoter where you say, yo, yeah man, them are go on, or you hear a couple of UK songs? I just wonder if you know if it's up on the ground.
Any of the UK dancehall artists, anybody that has caught your attention?
Well, I don't hear enough of them still, but I try to hear them because the youth them reach out to me and I just try to hear what them have.
Anybody has caught your attention?
Just like how Styler used to reach out to me, I hear him have till him find it. You know what I mean? I play Styler from him of yardy.
Yeah.
So what's your encouragement to them?
Keep on working, yo.
Yeah.
Just keep on working. And keep on doing your networking. Don't feel like you're the biggest star. And me must reach out to you.
Pause.
You get me?
Mega ask if you repeat that line.
Keep on working.
I want to look in that camera and tell them
Don't
that
think
too.
you're the biggest star and don't think people know you when they don't. You have to make sure say you put in your work and make that connection, because enough time artists think you have them song and you don't have it.
All right.
You send it to me, or me you have it. When I have to do the work and make sure, then you can follow up on that.
Thank you
and,
for forwarding.
And some of the time, let me add on to that. Some of the time he sent to you, but because you get lost in junk mail and them something there.
No, you don't get lost.
One of them
not
something
even
there.
that. Sometimes it's just not the time yet. Sometimes I don't have time to play that song. Yeah.
But and you see, me as a youth.
Because enough song me get long time, but when me start playing the thing, say, yo, me just get it. But me just know, say, yo, the song is already. Me not find enough to play it yet the real way. Because you know, I just play it and say, yo, me play a song. Dog, when me play a song,
it has to be effective.
Listen, me ask anybody at Jamaica. If they are fine and me play a song, your phone battery go dead. All your mother go say, yo,
me I call it
you understand? If my youth were left go studio, my aim was always to know, say, yo, if my youth are left go studio every day and then people them feel like same now go on with nothing on the music thing, no real. Me always want to give him a play. If you make him mother can say, boy, Junior, me hear you up on it. That's why my aim always when you play youth, I call them name.
Yes.
Yeah, big up liquid still no car. One time I feel
call
like
them name. And I saw people boss. You can't, people sound like people, you know, so you can't just play a song and a man and you might say, yeah, what did that sound like? But call the youth them name all the while.
Yeah.
I'm a teacher, I think, say, yo, put your name or your slur in your song. Because sometimes some DJs now go call your name.
True. You have to make your song speak for yourself
you
and
have to
represent
sell you and your brand.
Yeah.
You know, me have to big up to what him say.
Yeah.
Because
that's something that you always
what day feel like say, yo, if we have one pull out a door, there's somebody that climb here, you know. Remember one year, all of UK DJ them cut me off, you know, cause, you know.
I know DJ them, the artist them.
Me talk a bit of truth and, you know, them never take it the right way, but, you know. Remember, you know.
Thank you for confirming what
sometimes the bit of truth works sometimes because watch you now. See the game up here now. And remember say all of that cost me and I tell me say, oh, you know.
It's confirmed.
Everybody I make good music and want good video. But me have to talk the thing them my boss. You know, that's one of them thing there.
Yeah.
Because some of the time, if you see something and it's not going right, as a DJ, I live over here, I'm a true Jamaican, but I'm here. I play my Jamaican brother the music. Yeah. So if you're doing half-hearted music, like brother, I can't compare with me the regular party buster them. Yeah. I remember you know money pull up is a thing.
Yeah, but
you know your pay is a thing. Because remember you know when me go bust the party, you know, remember the girl them want to hear for them favorite song. They want to hear theme favorite song and whatever. So when me go play you and your virgin them song, and I remember 10 hours a day, you know. Remember I was driver. How much people over there? About 5,000?
Yeah.
So, what me do?
Exactly. So for Liquid now, what's
next?
What's next?
So, we're in May 7th. We're just starting off May. What projects are you working on? Which party we can forward?
I have new project I drop next month. I have a new rhythm.
I don't want a secret, sir. Give me a little more
Narcissism, new rhythm, you know what I mean?
What?
Narcissism?
I'm afraid. I'm afraid. What are we encouraging with narcissism?
No, it's just
a joke.
The reason why I name the rhythm is a rhythm where I have enough meds in it. You know what I mean?
Reggae dancehall.
So I got Chronic, I heard him.
Yeah, Chronic upon it. You understand? Yeah, me have Bugle.
Yeah.
Me have Charlie Blacks.
Cool.
Youngster. Some really nice, clean song. When you hear them, you're going to say, yo, Jano, me catch a vibe. And the rhythm put you in the vibes.
Is that reggae rhythm?
No, it's not a reggae. It's a dancer.
Dancehall rhythm.
Yeah, man.
As a producer, would you say you'd want to see Chronicler sing a few more reggae songs? Because obviously him have the idea there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because him have like, I mean, I know, me about two little kind of reggae from him.
But as me say, sometimes you have to push the envelope and you have to go to him with a reggae rhythm. And I say, yo, DJ, you know, say, this me I work with, this me want, and take him out of comfort.
And I mean, if you've built your brand, then it's more easier for him to trust you then.
Because I feel like, say, as an artist, as Chronicler, or talent and brilliant team is, if he put out, like, what you call it, a project, a reggae project,
I think
Grammy nominee.
Yeah.
People actually listen because
I think
but sometimes you have to leave an artist, make him grow too, you know.
And then again, you can't force a man to do what him no want.
You have to make him grow too, you know. You make him go through him stages.
Elevate.
Yeah, man.
And what's next for Liquid as an artist?
As I say, I just do some production and now enough people want me record. But
are you on the Narcissism?
No, I never record.
So you're not narcissistic then? What kind of style like?
Why you excuse me?
I've never recorded on my production.
So Liquid,
be nice.
What you're trying to tell everybody, say your artist days is behind you?
No, it's not behind me.
No, but
so,
not at the moment.
No, man, it's not behind me, but I just not focus on that right now as forefront.
Why? Because what? You feel like the younger people them sauce is not your sauce at the moment?
Nah, man. I'm just into my playing and music and pleasing the mass right now. I just my thing, you know.
I don't know, because young people might talk about, you know.
No,
we can't skate in the beach, but we can't skate in the house.
Yeah, but remember, you know, some of the life of them a dream boat and a map boat. We live it already, you know.
Yeah, that's true.
Place where them a talk about, me go there already, you know. So,
so you skate in the beach and you have your house now?
Yeah, I know nothing for me sing, but I'm not going to sing about that right now, dog.
The meds is different.
You know what I mean? I have to uplift the youth them and show them the way right now. That me I deal with.
Cool,
so would you go in like a Wayne Marshall type of thing where you're more to the family and vlogging? Because
I'm not do vlogging, man. Liquid you hear me say, man, production, show,
and he's a
play out,
DJ.
music.
Play out.
Yo, we not go do vlogging.
All right.
Liquid may do a movie.
Ooh.
Play a movie role or you may see the
play the movie role.
I play a role in a movie or whatever, you know what I mean, or a documentary, but definitely you can look for DJ Liquid, the book coming.
Yeah.
Give us more information.
What on Liquid?
Give us more information on the book. Want more details
All of this,
on the book.
everything I hear me I talk about.
Yeah.
So it's a biography.
It's gonna
cool.
be
Any dates we like to put things on our calendar, you know,
for
sir.
my birthday.
When's your birthday?
Hopefully I can ready for my birthday. October. I've been working on it for the last 2 days.
That's why I'm ready, you know. Which day October?
3rd, Libran. Scale of balance.
All right. So we know you're a family man. We know you have a big son.
Yeah.
Like
big daughter, small one.
And would you consider to get your son some farm in the music?
No.
Full?
No.
Or he's just doing what he's doing or what he's loving?
So you're not forcing anything
no
upon
pressure.
anybody.
But them expose them. Any question he marks him dead. I mean, know I go on. Daddy, all this guy me tell him see me. But
because I an idea in a Liquid like
legacy.
If I feel your son and him go to school, then I must say you a play a party, you know, a Liquid son, you know, like you know.
Yeah, but if, you know, I want to tell you, say, yo, my son I get caught up in that. We don't know him just live him own life and just to film one thing.
Do what he wants to do.
I'm just let them be.
And I think
right
that's a good
parenting.
I'm tired of them, but him gone left me, man.
That's a
watch her go. Because I don't know me not hide me thing. I'm proud of them, so you know me not hide them.
And that's a good parenting strategy as well. Like you nurture them and you support them in whatever.
Everything what them I do, I'm still show them my thing. I say, yo, like I'm recording them, I show them and say, yo, all them things I control them things. I look more, whether or not you want. Them check I go come to you and them things. So you have to know. You have to know your father rhythm them and know them things. So them know about it, even if it's not going to be for them main career, but them know say, yo, them things out of our daddy have, you know, isn't it?
Yeah. Cool, man. Ladies and gentlemen, 2 minutes to the hour of 11 o'clock. DJ Liquid has been in the studio with us for a while.
Yes.
As we said, give thanks for passing through and bringing the positive energy and having the chat with us. If people are not following you, if they're living under a rock, they're not used to ZJ Liquid, what is your social media page?
Mobius on ZJ Liquid, Instagram, ZJ Liquid, Twitter,
yes,
876. ZJLiquidmusic.com.
Yes.
With everywhere.
I'm a no say.
With the Intune, with the IR.
Vivo and everybody.
Every platform you can.
Cool,
every platform.
And I mean, me know say you're a big producer and you're a big DJ
Exactly.
and you're an artist, so I'm gonna put you on the spot.
For what?
Because we're bad people.
All right.
That is it.
Right. And usually anybody who falls on the platform has to do a thing.
All right.
So I'm gonna hand over to the DJ over here.
All right.
I'm gonna turn off my microphone, my
Yeah.
talkerphone, and you're just going
Let's see
to
what I got.
follow the instructions that are provided to you.
Watch now.
All star,
Watch a surprise there. Can I expect that one here, you know?
you have to drop some bars
Yeah, really?
without any apologies.
I'm on a rhythm.
Yeah.
For your own rhythm, dog.
Ladies and gentlemen, DJ Liquid in the studio.
Alright, them girls stand up and me say them girls stand up. Them girls stand up and me say them girls stand up. Them girls stand up and me say them girls stand up with their London. I know it go, ladies. Why if you walk out and me have to stand up? Oh, good clothes you know wear well broke. No man now left you one you mash up. If a girl a talk tell her if it talk up choke. Why if you walk out me have to stand up? Oh, good clothes you know wear well broke. No man now left you one you mash up. If a girl a talk tell her if it talk up choke. Bust a walk, bust a wine, bust a walk and double up same time. And then you put me. Alright. Come on, give me the rhythm, the man. Alright. World where we live in now it crazy. Now we do them nothing for them hate it. Me just a go and live my life. Me just a go and live my life. What? Me keep a smile on my face. Just to trick the claffy them. In London, sure. One thing in a life, don't trust a claffy friend. A shortcut. What you say? There you go. Ladies, inna the middle, every girl inna the middle. Inna the middle, every. Alright, sure. Inna the middle, every girl inna the middle. Inna the middle, every girl inna the middle. Inna the middle, every girl inna the middle. Like a go. Alright, sure. Bubble. Every girl be a tikitana. Bubble. Every girl be a tikitana. Girl a bubble to the left and girl a bubble to the
That's what we got now.
There you go. Yeah. Liquid in that place. Yeah. Yeah, hear me? Sure. Which song me I sing for this one? I have so much song in my head right
Any
now.
one of them, just dash some lyrics on the bar.
Just dash some lyrics?
Just dash some lyrics.
Alright. Wagon. You alright now, but then we can't remember some of the song then.
Alright, no pressure.
We're not pressure tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, ZJ Liquid, the Mobe son, was in studio with us.
Alright.
Mind you remember lyrics now?
No, I remember them, but I will a song in my head.
I will
Cool, man.
song, but remember I mean I'm surprised, you know.
I'm a boss.
You know, that's already with us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool, man. Thank you for passing through.
Anytime.
Next time you're in the UK, you know, you have to come and forward and visit us, you know.
No, you don't have to ask a question. They're a family thing, you know, so you don't have to come check in. And you know the thing, because I love the work one I do the same way.
You see an idea like,
you know what I mean?
Appreciate
we are not a mainstream radio, but we are doing the groundwork because
no,
like,
mainstream, man.
we do like so and we learn the real way and we learn from some of the real people in our business.
Are you teach me?
And you know,
definitely.
Inspiration.
Like,
that's good.
Yeah.
So you see, that's why I'm not have to worry about the artists, them.
You're tranquilo in what you do.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We keep the thing going enough, you get inspiration to come continue the movement. And I'm grateful for that, bro.
I learned something tonight.
You get me?
Cause the DJ Wayne, you were the amongst Wayne. Cause for over the years, me I say two man them play the same way.
No, I always know that.
Me never did know say it.
Different.
I one thing me not like. One thing me not like though. Wayne need to show himself more, and he might not need to do some social, man.
No, I'm not him that.
No,
that's not his kind of style.
Wayne is just all about the music. Him give us music and him take care of himself.
Me know that's
He's
it.
a very conservative
Me know
man. And I saw him stay. That's why you see we could have blend. We're different.
Cool, man.
But make him know say street respect him.
Nah, man. Whistle know that,
You
man.
know that, man. It's
So one whistle, you know.
when we drive out like a skyline, I'm like, so whoop whoop.
One whistle,
You don't
man.
know a thing, go.
Enough,
Cool, man.
enough
ZJ Liquid,
inspiration, same way.
as we said, give thanks for passing through. Safe travels back home.
Anytime.
And all the best. We're looking out for the various projects that you're going to be putting out.
Yeah, man.
And big up yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, ZJ Liquid was in our studio.
I'm just want to say, London, big up for the love Sunday. You know what I mean? Appreciate it. Because I never come here and I say, yo, me are the artist thing and me are the baddest thing. Me just come here and I say, yo, me I go do my thing and I hope the them appreciate it.
Yes.
And I show me love.
Yes.
And I respect that.
Yes.
And I just want to say respect to Arville, the bus driver crew, because it's not a link.
True.
Him find me and I wonder who the promoter you call me down. And I say, yo, me here YG I deal with. And you know, we just connect and we just make it happen.
Yes.
And I just say go people.
That's
I love.
Big up yourself, Junior. As per usual. You don't know the ship stay up on that side already though.